How are you sleeping? This is one of the very first questions that I ask any new health coaching client when we start working together. Before we can talk about fitness, before we can talk about healthy nutrition, before we can talk about any other aspect of well-being, I need to be sure that their sleep is good. And if it's not, that's where we start. Sleep is such a pillar of good health. Once that is strong and restorative, the other aspects can fall into place so much easier. So I'll ask you the same question. How are you sleeping? If you're like many people, the answer right now is not so good. We are living in a time with so much uncertainty, so much stress, and it is really impacting people's ability to sleep. If this is you, I encourage you to join me on Tuesday, June 23rd at noon. I'll be doing a live lunchtime webinar in which I'll be discussing exactly why focusing on your sleep right now is imperative. It especially can impact your ability to maintain optimal immunity, which we are all looking to do right now. I'll also share why the struggle is real right now, why it is such a challenge for so many of us to get a good night's sleep right now. But most importantly, I will be sharing some actionable steps that you can start using that day to start resetting your sleep. If you can't join me live, don't worry, I will be recording the webinar. But if you are able to join live, you'll be entered to win access to my sleep school, which is an online health coaching program that I've developed to help people who need some more support as they start to get their sleep working optimally. I hope you can join me on Tuesday, the 23rd at noon, and start to learn some simple things that you can do to improve the most important pillar of health, which is sleep. Hope to see you then.